Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're making the side mini pillar card. It does stand. We're using the Pop-Up Petals bundle, the stamp set, and the corresponding dies. Let's get started. Card base 4 1/4 by 11, scoring at 2 1/2, 4, 5 1/2, 7, and 8 1/2. You got the two size layers. The larger layer is 2 3/8 by 4 1/8, and the second layer is 2 1/4 by 4. For the smaller layers, 1 3/8 by 4 1/8, and the larger layer, smaller layer. For those, 1 1/4 by 4. And then for the sentiment, the cardstock's 1 3/4 by 1 1/2 and 1 1/2 by 1 1/4. You can pause now for those measurements. I'll take these away. Alright, so let's get started on folding. You have score lines here. So you're folding them all in, because this is the part that actually folds out. So you're going to want to put adhesive on the side and close your card. Let's go ahead and use some glue. And it's just a matter of closing it in half, letting that glue really dry. Make sure that you're lined up. I'm a little off. See if I can fix that while it's still wet. Alright, take two. There we go. Let's go ahead and assemble these pieces. We'll go ahead and glue here. It's a little slight border. Same here. And let's do the 4 panels. You can use a different color cardstocks, variety colors. Get some color matching. I think I have let's see, I have Fresh Freesia, Lemon Lolly, and Shy Shamrock. Alright, so before I put this on, I'm going to use the pop-up part and fold it like this, and then we're going to glue that, and that goes behind this. So together here onto the front, lining up the scores right there, so it kind of pops up. You see that? And then we're going to cover them with the panels on one side with the pop-up, and then the other side won't have one. Last one. Let's put this on the side. Repeat here. So cute. And let's see, let's go ahead and stamp this. Grateful for your friendship and Shy Shamrock. Some glue there. Oops, yeah, glue on there to put on the cardstock. And then just a little glue on the pop-up part. And that goes straight there. And I went ahead and stamped and die cut this, and will be real easy and make, just color the centers of the yellow Daffodil Delight. Leave the petals white and just color the leaves with a light Old Olive. Then let's go ahead and pop this up. Here, a little glue on the back of this. And there we go. So grateful for your friendship. Stand it up if you need to. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and share this with anybody else who's interested in video tutorials with these fun cards. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, sharing it with you. And you'll see many, many more video tutorials such as these. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.